If you've ever wanted to capture the jaw-dropping beauty of a vast landscape or a sweeping cityscape, panorama stitching is your secret weapon. Today, we're diving into how to create stunning panoramic images using two powerful tools, Affinity Photo and Luminar Neo's Panorama Stitching Extension. Whether you're a travel photographer, a landscape enthusiast, or just love visual storytelling, this tutorial will help you create breathtaking wide-angle shots. So, grab your camera, and let's get started. First, let's talk about what panorama stitching is. It's the process of combining multiple photos with overlapping areas to create one seamless, wide-angle image. Think of it like piecing together a puzzle to capture a scene too big for your camera's lens. This is perfect for landscape photography, outdoor adventures, or even 360-degree panoramas for virtual tours. But to get great results, you need the right technique in the field and the right software in post-production. Before we jump into editing, let's cover some quick tips for shooting panoramas. Use a tripod for stability, but if you're shooting handheld, keep your camera level. Shoot in manual mode to keep exposure and focus consistent across all shots. Overlap each photo by about 20 to 30% to give the software enough data to stitch. Avoid ultra-wide lenses, like 35mm or wider, to minimize distortion. Shoot vertically for more height in your final panorama, especially for tall landscapes. Let's start with Affinity Photo, a fantastic tool for professional-grade panorama stitching. Here's how it works. Open Affinity Photo and go to File, New Panorama. Select your images. Make sure they have that 20 to 30% overlap. And click Add. Affinity Photo will automatically align and stitch your images. You'll see a preview with options to adjust if needed. If there are any seams or distortions, use the in-painting brush to clean them up. Affinity Photo is super intuitive and does a great job with clean, seamless stitches. But it's a manual process, so it's best for photographers who want full control. Now, let's check out Luminar Neo, which brings some unique AI-powered features to the table. Luminar Neo's Panorama Stitching Extension is a game-changer, especially for its AI-driven features and ability to work with both photos and videos. Here's how to use it. Open Luminar Neo and go to the Catalog tab. Click the puzzle piece icon to access the Panorama Stitching Extension. Drag and drop your photos or even a video clip. Yes, Luminar Neo can extract frames from a panning video to create a panorama. Choose your projection mode, plane for architecture, fisheye for wide-angle shots, or Mercator for minimal stretching. Use the crosshair overlay to warp and adjust the panorama manually if needed. Click Stitch. Then crop and enhance your panorama with Luminar's AI tools like Sky AI or Enhance AI for vibrant colors and details. What makes Luminar Neo stand out is its versatility. You can create HDR panoramas, stitch videos into stills, or even isolate a moving subject for a dynamic action panorama. However, it outputs large TIFF files, and some users report it can be a bit slow with multiple images. If you're a beginner or love automation, Luminar Neo is super user-friendly. For pros who want pixel-perfect results, Affinity Photo might be your go-to. Once your panorama is stitched, it's time to make it pop. In Luminar Neo, try Sky AI to replace a dull sky or Atmosphere AI to add realistic fog or haze. Which software are you excited to try? And if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more photo editing tips.